So if you've clicked on this video, it is most likely that you are active or you try to be active and you like walking. However, the walking, every time reaching a certain distance or a certain amount of time, pain starts kicking in. So today I want to help you and give you an exercise, and I'm not planning to correct, to say do this and do that to get rid of that. No, I'm James, body therapist and breath coach, and I'm not saying that I can correct issues, though I can lead you towards a better optimal way of walking, a better optimal body. For that, I will show an exercise that will replicate the basic mechanic of stepping forward, or what needs to happen for you to have a good stepping mechanic. And you will see, most likely, that doing the exercise, you will start realizing that there are things that you cannot really do or cannot really feel. And this is going to be some more homework for you later to keep practicing to get more feeling and understanding. Let's get started. So the position that we're going to do, I'm going to show you in a front view and a side view. What is going to be important in this stepping and in the movement, there's a side bending and a rotation of the thoracic cage created by oblique muscle. The external here and the internal there, internal oblique muscle. The position you're going to have, I put my right foot forward here. Right foot forward, I feel my heel on the ground, okay? Definitely feel it, and I grab the floor with my toes, meaning that I can feel the contraction of the anterior tibialis. You need to grip the floor. My back foot here, there's a gentle rotation of the femur inside a little bit, and I can feel my glutes pushing. If you cannot feel the glutes, this is what you do. You position yourself, this is the lateral view. You're here. Your knee, make sure that your knee is not grinding forward, but it's just stacked in front of your foot. Belly in, and you just move back and forth, pushing you forward and pushing you back with the other leg until you start feeling it a bit, okay? If you cannot feel it the first time, it's okay, practice it. Make sure that your lower back is not too curved, okay? You have a nice activation of the glutes, not too much tension here, and you're stable. What you're going to do afterwards, what is involved in stepping forward, looking at the thoracic cage, is the following. I'm here, I'm side bending to my lead foot and rotating towards my lead foot. Okay, my shoulder active, I'm not like sloppy like this, okay? Try to be more active, keep the shoulders nice and stacked up at the back. And from here, I'm going to gently move up, and you see what happens with my thoracic cage. I'm gently rotating towards the other side. Make sure that your knee is not going in. You keep everything stacked up. My pelvis is also nice and stacked up. And I'm going to go up gently, and then I'll start rotating, activating the oblique on the lead side. So here, and push up, activation, and step. You pay attention, my head is in the same line as my foot. Right now I'm feeling the back glute, which keeps pushing me. The key here for you is to finish with a side bend and a rotation towards your lead leg. And now I feel my heel completely grounded. Optimally, ideally, when you're going to be walking afterwards, is to be able to feel the glute and foot connected. Once you push, I still feel it, still, boom, until here. Most of the time what happens, as I see that a lot, is that the glutes disconnects from here, and you step. So that's the exercise. One more time. From the side here, feeling the heel, feeling the glutes on the back and the glutes here, and I'm gonna exaggerate here. Gently rise up, start rotating towards what's going to be my lead foot, so my left, because my right foot here is my lead foot, or the foot that has 65% of the weight and 35 on the back. I'll start rotating, boom, and step. Okay, this is not going to be easy. Take it easy, practice that, and when you're going to go afterwards, try to feel the mechanic of walking. Of course, there's more involved, but this is already a nice basic start for you to go with. So do you know what I mean when I say about having difficulty to feel, to do a specific movement without being wobbly, or just to feel the glutes connection? If you struggle, keep trying. Usually neuromuscular connection happen with a bit of time and understanding the position and the movement. Of course, practice this while you're walking as well. If you're struggling a lot and are interested to understand the cause of your issue and want to work on it, please put a message in the comments. Fix it, let's fix it, and we'll get in touch and see what we can do. Until then, if this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. And until then, keep it up and see you in the next video.